The purpose of the bird dog is to challenge your low back and core muscles with rotational force. Start in a tabletop position. Lift your left arm up while simultaneously lifting your right leg. Make sure to engage your bum muscles when raising the leg instead of extending at your low back. Once this is done, the low back muscles will engage in order to protect your spine from twisting in an uncontrollable direction. Repeat on the opposite side and make sure to hold each pose for 2 seconds. Now it's your turn. 15. 14. 13. 12. 11. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1.